Well, it was another solid day of gains on share markets led by London and New York, and then Asian markets today. The oil price actually fell a bit last night because Saudi Arabia said it would help stabilise the oil market if necessary. Base metals and iron ore fell because of renewed concerns about China's property sector. And also the IMF trimmed its forecast for world economic growth next year. The Australian market went up 0.7%, but the Bank of Queensland was taken to the woodshed after producing a poor annual result. Its shares have fallen nearly 50% in the past 2 years, while the other banks have gone sideways. And Qantas shares jumped 2.7% after Chairman Richard Goyder and two other directors decided to spend more time with their families. Here's the context for today's Qantas share price action. It's now down only 25% in 3 months instead of yesterday's 27%. And the Australian dollar is up a bit at 64.2 US cents. Now, I noted last night that China is now making more cars than the rest of the world combined. Well, it also has by far the biggest penetration of electric vehicles, over 40% versus a 24% average for the rest of the world, and 9% in Australia. And RBA Assistant Governor Christopher Kent gave a speech today containing this chart showing that Australian banks have passed on 75% of the rate hikes to depositors, the most in the world. We're also leading the world in how much of the rate hikes have been passed on to borrowers. So the biggest losers as well as the biggest winners. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.